The second tip for sounding musical is on your endings, slow down, get softer, and hold out those last notes. Softening and slowing down your endings mostly works on very flowing, beautiful songs because it kind of extends that emotional feeling the song had. In fact, on these type of songs, if you don't slow down a little and hold out the final chord, then it almost feels like the ending was too rushed and like the listener was robbed of that sense of, completion. So I'll show you a couple song examples. We'll go back to Old French Song, and you can already see that this song has kind of an emotional, moody sound. So when we come to the end, here is if I play it without slowing down or holding anything at all. And I'm going to start it here at the end of measure 21 at this 3. Doesn't it kind of leave you with the sense that it was rushed and over too soon? But here is the way the song sounds if I slow down the ending, soften it, make it very connected and musical, and hold out the final chord. Do you hear how that was night and day difference? It kind of let the listener go on a journey. Or it really could touch someone or get someone right in the feels because that last sound is hanging in the air, and that is what a listener is left with. We'll hear one more example on Fur Elise version 2. Here is how the song starts. It's kind of a more purposeful energy, but it is still a very flowing song. And if we end the song straight on beat and we don't slow it down at all and we lift too soon, then it almost sounds too robotic to me like that. So I'm going to start right here at the end of measure 19. So if we were to add in some emotion and slowing down the song and holding out that last chord at the end, it makes all the difference. So it's kind of sounding like the song is just kind of winding down and getting softer and again taking you on a journey. So definitely try that in your songs and see what you think. In fact, now is the perfect time to pause the video and try slowing down and holding out an ending on one of your songs. A side note that you need to know is that lively songs such as Take Me Out to the Ball Game don't really need the ending slowed down. It's mainly for those flowing, beautiful songs. Because a song like Take Me Out to the Ball Game is a lively, more fun energy, so the song sounds fine being ended at normal speed and kind of keeping up its energy. So I'll show you an example of that here at this third line. So see how it kind of leaves us with a sense of, oh, that was fun, and it was meant to be fun anyway. And in fact, if we were to try slowing down a lively song like that, then it almost sounds like an old cassette tape that started catching and getting garbled, or like something was wrong with the song. So here it is slowing it down. It almost sounds like someone's going to sleep, and you don't want that feeling in a lively song.